Hi guys, it's week 5 of Origami Online. My name is Mizuho and this is my dog Bob. We're gonna show you how to make a coaster today, like this one. To make this, you need a square paper, or you could get any paper and cut into square. Alright, let's get making. Okay, we're gonna start by placing a square piece of paper, wrong side facing up and right side facing down. And then we are going to fold the paper in half. And let's rotate it and unfold. Okay. And then we are going to fold the paper this way so that this edge meets this line and the top right corner meets these little dot points on the center crease. Okay, let's do it. Like that. And we are going to bring the top left corner down to here where I'm pointing at. Okay, so to here. And then we are going to fold this edge towards the center. Okay. Like that. And then we are going to fold the bottom left corner towards the center, this point. So bring this to here. Like that. And we're gonna bring this point towards the center, fold it towards the center, so this point meets this point, like that. Okay. Okay, then we are going to fold this corner towards the center. We are almost done. And we are going to fold this line along this line, like that, as you can see. And we are going to tack this bit of paper into here underneath this piece of paper. Like that. I'm gonna show you guys again. Sorry. This piece of paper going to tucked into here underneath this piece of paper like that. And that's it. That's your origami cup coaster for you. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you are inspired to make your own origami coaster. If you did make one, please share the pictures on our Kingston Creators Facebook page. I look forward to seeing your photos. See you next week.